All right, so probably just a little update video on the blaster. I've tried everything on this. You know, as far as the power is concerned, it just doesn't seem to, it starts and everything, but it doesn't seem to have any power when it runs. And the only thing, I mean, I've checked everything too. I've checked the wiring system. The only thing that doesn't really check out right now are like some light bulbs and maybe the spark plug cap. That's really, as far as electrical, maybe an issue. Of course, it could be the CDI that's causing the issues too, but I don't know. It also has a knock in the engine, which, you know, that kind of bugs me too. I think it's just piston slap, I think. So I'm gonna tear the head off, the piston, or the whole cylinder piston out, take it out and see what's going on. But just wanted to show you that it does start. I mean, it starts up pretty easy. Yeah, the gas is on. Turn it to run. Flip out the choke. Give me a pedal. Usually starts up pretty easy. There we go. Starts right up. It's that knock that I'm worried about though. I don't know if you can pick that up on the video or not. I'm trying to pick it up on the video. Hopefully that'll come out. Hopefully that'll come out. But yeah, I think the piston's ruined.